explore cutting-edge audiovisual tech. Hello, everyone. Today, I am unboxing the LERGB Video HDMI Matrix Switcher. Now, let's open the box. Inside, there are a power cord, a network cable, a quality certificate, a warranty card, and a manual. The model I am showing you now is the 7100 series. This 4K Ultra HD Matrix has a front panel with a full-color LCD screen. Sleek aluminum knobs and crystal style buttons enhance its visual appeal. The inputs on the back connect to the source devices, and the outputs connect to the display devices. The RS-232 out connects to the video wall, and the RS-232 connects to the computer. There is also an RJ45 IP port and a serial port. The 1U model comes in 4 in, 4 out, 8 in, 8 out. The 2U model comes in 8 in, 16 out, 16 in, 16 out, and 16 in, 32 out.